Hello, wonderful brains. A very warm welcome to your English Reader Language Odyssey of Class 5 by Amit Publishing House. And children, are you ready to start a new chapter with your friend Aprajita? So here I am also ready. Let's start with the chapter 8. And the chapter is the rainbow. The rainbow. Have you seen a rainbow, children? I hope many of you or everybody has seen a rainbow. How beautiful it looks. So let's see what is there about the rainbow in this chapter. Okay, this is a poem, and first we read about the poem. What's there in the poem? When the sun is shining and there is rain as well, you may see a rainbow in the sky. As we all know, when जब बारिश होती है और धूप भी निकलती है, दोनों साथ में होते हैं, तो स्काई में हमें एक बहुत सुंदर सी चीज दिखती है जिसे कहते हैं रेनबो. It has beautiful colors in it. 7 colors of rainbow are seen there in the sky. So let's start with the poem, The Rainbow. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sails on the seas. But clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. हम सबको पता है कि बोट्स रिवर पे सेल करती हैं, शिप्स सीज में सेल करती हैं. शिप्स जो तैरती हैं, जो हमें दिखाई देती हैं, वो कहाँ होती हैं? वो सीज में होती हैं. और लेकिन ये जो क्लाउड्स हैं, जो सुंदर सुंदर बादल हमें दिखाई देते हैं स्काई में, ये इन सबसे सुंदर है. जो बोट्स और शिप्स सेल करती हैं सी में या रिवर में, उन सबसे ज्यादा सुंदर क्या है? दैट इज द क्लाउड्स व्हिच सेल अक्रॉस इन द स्काई. हैव यू एवर सीन? आपने ध्यान से देखा है कभी स्काई की तरफ? और अगर ध्यान से देखेंगे तो आपको दिखेगा कि जो क्लाउड्स हैं वो कैसे तैरते रहते हैं, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाते रहते हैं. They just sail across the sky and they look so pretty. There are bridges on the rivers, as pretty as you please, but the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the tree. Now see, rivers के ऊपर bridges बने होते हैं उसको पार करने के लिए, एक साइड से दूसरी साइड जाने के लिए ब्रिजेस बने होते हैं. फाइन. द ब्रिजेस आर आल्सो इन अ शेप ऑफ बो, और वो सुंदर भी लगते हैं. बट द बो दैट ब्रिजेस हेवन, जो स्काई में हमें जो बो दिखाई देता है, दैट एंड इट गोज ओवर द ट्री टॉप्स. जब हम स्काई में रेनबो को देखते हैं तो वो कैसा लगता है? एक बो के जैसा लगता है ना, धनुष के जैसा लगता है. धनुष भी इसी शेप का होता है. एंड दिस रेनबो इज ऑल्सो ऑफ अ बो शेप. सो और वो कहाँ दिखता है? ट्रीज के ऊपर जाता हुआ दिखता है. दैट लुक्स सो ब्यूटिफुल. एंड बिल्ड्स अ रोड फ्रॉम अर्थ टू स्काई इज प्रिटियर फार देन दीज. इन सब चीजों से सबसे ज्यादा सुंदर जो दिखता है वो है रेनबो. रेनबो ऐसा लगता है जैसे धरती से शुरू हो रहा है और कहाँ तक जा रहा है? आसमान तक हमारे लिए एक रोड बना रहा है. It seems ever if you have seen the rainbow, you could feel that it's starting from the earth and it's going up in the sky and it's making a road for us to go from earth to sky. And it looks, the colors of the rainbow, they give such a good feeling. We are so happy to see the rainbow. Not only the children, the young people, the elderly people also, they still feel good when they see the rainbow. जब रेनबो को कोई भी देखता है तो उसे बहुत खुशी का एहसास होता है, because the colors of the rainbow are so beautiful. So this poem has been written by Christiana Rossetti. Right? And see the different colors of the rainbow. So this one, a double rainbow appears when light is reflected twice in a raindrop. एक raindrop में जब light 2 बार reflect करती है तो double rainbow भी दिखाई देता है. But it's in a very rare case. केस बहुत रेयरली दिखाई देता है डबल विंग। इन अ नटशेल इस पोएम में हमने क्या पढ़ा अभी? About the superior beauty of clouds and rainbow in comparison to ships and bridges. Ships, boats, bridges, इन सबसे ऊपर जो सबसे सुंदर चीज है वो है beauty of clouds in the sky and the rainbow in the sky. How both ships and boats sail, man-made versus natural or God-made. Now see, man-made ships and boats. These are man-made. ये सुंदर चीजें हैं जो कि इंसान ने बनाई, और दूसरी तरफ जो कुदरत ने हमें दी, नेचर ने हमें दिया है, that is God made. जो रेनबो है, जो क्लाउड्स है, जो स्काई है, that is much more beautiful, which we are able to see. So I hope you enjoyed the poem. इस poem को अच्छे से पढ़िएगा and learn it by heart. So now our testing time is there. Complete the lines of the poem. Okay, children. So now let's do the exercises. Our testing time. Complete the lines of the poem. Just now we had read the poem. So let's complete the lines of this poem. Boats sail. Where do the boats sail? Boats sail on the river, and ships sail on the seas. But clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. These were the lines of this poem. Next is write the rhyming words of the given words. There are some words given. We have to write the rhyming words. And as you all know, the rhyming words are the similar sounding words or the rhythmic words. Sail, fail, mail. Sail, fail, mail. River, shiver, fever. Aren't they sounding same? Yes, they are the similar words. Sky, dry, by. Sky, dry, by. Road, load, board. Road, load, board. Earth, earth, birth, worth. When you'll read them aloud, you will feel that they are sounding similar. Earth, birth, worth. And the last one is that, hat, chat. That, hat, chat. Now, moving ahead, answer the following questions. What sails on the rivers? What sails on the rivers, children? Do the ship sail or the boat sail? The boat sail on the rivers. So here the answer is the boats sail on the rivers. What sails on the seas? The ships sail on the seas. Where do the clouds sail? The clouds sail on the beautiful sky. So the clouds sail on the sky. Name the bow that built a road from the earth to the sky. What's that beautiful road called? That is the rainbow. It's a rainbow. Write the colors found in rainbow. Do you all know the colors of the rainbow? The 7 colors of the rainbow? They are violet, then indigo, then blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Fine? So, this is V, I, B, G, Y, O, R. Vibgyor. These are the colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Now, make sentences each using the following words. We have to make sentences. Sentences, till now you all must have learned how to make the sentences. I'll make 2 and the rest you'll do yourself. Clouds. I saw beautiful clouds sailing. Where? Sailing. Where do the clouds sail? Sailing in the sky. I saw the beautiful clouds sailing in the sky. Bridges. There are beautiful bridges built on the rivers. There are beautiful bridges built across the across the rivers. Okay, children? Pretty, pretty. One more I'll make. Pretty. My mother gave me a pretty frock. My mother gave me a pretty frock. Now children, these two you have to make yourself, earth and heaven. Okay? Now, the passage has errors in each line. Rewrite it correctly by using punctuation marks and capital letters appropriately. You all must have learned how to do the punctuation in any sentence, how to put a punctuation mark, how to start the sentence with a capital letter. So let's see this passage and do the corrections. इसमें हम proper punctuations लगाएंगे. यहाँ जो लिखा है इसमें कुछ गलतियां हैं. कैपिटल लेटर्स नहीं यूज किए गए हैं प्रॉपर जगह पे, कुछ कहीं कॉमा, कहीं फुल स्टॉप. दीज आर ऑल पंक्चुएशंस. सो लेट्स करेक्ट दिस. Once a mother goat and her kid lived in a cave in a jungle. क्या ये क्वेश्चन मार्क आना था यहाँ? No, the question mark has not to be put here. So once का क्या आएगा? O capital. This O has to be in capital letter because as we start, we all know जब हम start करते हैं कोई sentence उसका first letter जो होता है वो capital होता है. O-N-C-E. Once a mother goat and her kid lived in a cave in a jungle. अब ये भी नहीं आएगा, ये भी नहीं आएगा. So I have to write the whole one. Once a mother goat and her kid. Where did they live? Lived in a cave in a jungle. So now this is a sentence has ended here. So we put a full stop. This colon and question mark will not come. Only a full stop will come. Again, after the full stop, when we start with the capital letter. One day, an elephant, E capital. Here in goat also, G has to be capital because it's a name. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. An elephant. One day an elephant passed by their cave. Passed by their cave. Now, comma. After comma, T will not be capital. T will be small. The kid was afraid. The kid, K will be small. Kid was afraid to see what? To see elephant. E capital. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T because it's a name of an animal. Comma. Again. It said. I-T. It said of the elephant. Okay. To see the elephant. Here we put a full stop and after that again with capital we start. It said how big that animal is. It said, comma, how big that animal is. Okay, full stop. Ask the following questions to your partner. Now, we have to ask the questions and we have to answer it. Have you ever seen a rainbow? I'm asking it to you. So, I hope your answer will be yes. And if anybody has not seen, अगर किसी ने नहीं देखा, तो वो लिखेगा no, I have not seen a rainbow. What does the rainbow look like? It looks like a bow. धनुष की तरह दिखता है. When do you see a rainbow? When it is raining and the sun is also there. Then we can see the rainbow. What colors do you see in a rainbow? What colors do you see? Previously we had just written violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red color are seen in the rainbow. I'll just write the short form. These colors are seen: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Okay? Now say these words aloud for enhancing your listening and pronunciation practice. You have to speak out these words loudly. Boat, wood, nature, extinct, ship, duck, pretty, rainbow, tree, sail, river, across. Until and unless you speak loudly, you will not be able to improve your pronunciation, children. So here we complete this exercise. And here we complete our chapter 2. I hope you enjoyed this chapter. It was really a very beautiful chapter about the rainbow, which is the most beautiful thing which the nature has given to man. It's a very natural God-made thing, and the different colors of rainbow always make us happy when we see. So children, stay excited for the next clamp of video. Till then, bye. Be happy.